Hey everyone, need to pair your Xfinity remote with your cable box. This step-by-step setup guide shows you exactly how to program it for seamless control. To program your Xfinity remote to your cable box, press and hold the setup button or Xfinity and info buttons on some models until the LED changes color, then enter the on-screen pairing code using your remote. This links your remote to the specific cable box, enabling full control of channels and functions. Step 1. Identify your remote model. Check if your remote is an XR15, XR11 or another model. The setup process is similar but button labels may differ slightly. Look on the back or inside the battery compartment of your remote. The model number, example XR11, XR15, is usually printed there. Turn on your TV and make sure correct HDMI input is selected. The XR11 has a setup button and a microphone button for voice commands with a traditional button layout. The XR15 does not have a setup button. Instead, you use the Xfinity and Info I button for pairing. The XR16 is compact, minimalist remote with a fewer buttons and no number pad designed for flex and stream videos. The XR100 and XRA are newer models with the enhanced accessibility or voice features. The silver or gray remote are larger non-voice remote with a classic button layout and often a red OK or select button. Step 2. Begin pairing process. For XR15 or XR11 voice remote, press and hold the setup button until the LED at the top of the remote changes from red to green. If your remote does not have a setup button, press and hold both the Xfinity and Info I button together until the LED turns green. Step 3. Enter pairing code. Press the Xfinity button on the remote. A 3-digit code will appear on your TV screen. Enter this code using your remote's number pad. The LED will flash to confirm successful pairing. Step 4. Find TV manufacturer code. Go to Xfinity remote code look up tool page. Select your remote model and click continue button. Select your pairing device as TV. Choose your TV brand by expanding the drop down list. Click continue button. On the next page, you can see the code listed under pair the XRA remote to control a TV section. Important notes: the XR16 and XR100 remote don't use traditional TV codes because they pair automatically with devices through on-screen prompt or voice command. Their simplified design and lack of number buttons mean manual code entry isn't supported like with older Xfinity remote. Step 5. Program TV power, volume and input. It is optional. Find your TV manufacturer's code from the Xfinity remote code list. Hold the setup button until the LED turns green, then enter the TV code. The LED should flash twice. Test the remote power and volume buttons to confirm control of your TV. Step 6. Test and finalize. Try changing channels and adjusting volumes to confirm the remote control both the cable box and TV. If it doesn't work, repeat the steps or try another TV code. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.